What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Day 6 of the holiday giveaways. Now before we get into it guys, make sure you go and watch the day 5 video. That is the giveaway for the Craftsman 1700 PSI 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer right here. I'll be announcing the winner of this one tomorrow, so you guys still have an opportunity to win this one. So go check out that video as well. Now in this video, we're going to be doing a new giveaway, and this one is valued at just shy of $300. This is from Maxshine. It's a good one, guys. Before we get into that though, let's go ahead and announce the winner of the day 4 giveaway, which was the CarGlo Car Wash Kit, valued at 125 bucks. Now on that video, I have some notes here on my hand, right? So we got 888 comments. I did the random number generator on Google, and number 312 was the winner, and that winner is Blue831. So I will reach out to you directly on there, but if you see this video, just comment and reach out to me that way as well. I'll just get your shipping information and we'll get that thing out to you. So congratulations. Now let's go on to the new giveaway for day 6. Okay, so for day 6, guys, like I said, it's a good one, and it is the Maxshine Mini Cordless Polisher. I love this thing. This thing works fantastic. Great value here. Is it as refined as the Rupes? No, but it's like a third of the price. This thing is fantastic. I absolutely love it. It changes between 2 different oscillation patterns and then also a rotary. Just a fantastic little tool. As you can see, you get all this stuff included in the kit. Really, really, really good value. And then to go along with this, there's some extra stuff. You're also going to get Maxshine's metal polish, their X-Out cutting compound, and their mirror finish polish. But wait, there's more. You also get 2 330 GSM microfiber towels. So literally everything you need to polish. Now, a lot of you may have been considering getting a mini polisher, and this one is a fantastic value. This is the one that kind of opens up that market to a lot of people. But you may have been like, well, how often am I really gonna need that? Do I need to spend the money there? We're in the holidays, do I really want to buy something for myself? Well, here's the opportunity to get one and start using it. You'll find it to be very, very useful. I promise you that. So once again, guys, this is gonna be kind of a double comment situation in order to win this. Comment on this video and then go over to the video where I did the original review of that one. Again, I'll link it up here, and go comment over there as well. Well, check out that review though, so you can actually see what comes in this, the use case, how I like it, all that kind of good stuff. But that's it, guys. Just 2 comments, one on this video, one on that video, and you're entered in to have a chance to win this one. Again, as always, this one will be announced in 48 hours. So this video is Wednesday, so on Friday we'll announce the winner of this one. And also, if you're not subscribed but you watch the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any videos coming up, because we're doing a bunch more giveaways. And if you have an Instagram, go follow me over there as well. And of course, as a huge disclaimer, guys, again, don't fall for the scams. If someone comments on there saying you won, or text me at Telegram or anything like that, it's not real. It's a scammer. They're just trying to get shipping costs from you. This is a giveaway. I don't charge any shipping or anything like that. This is just free across the board. I'm not gonna ask you for any money. So just make sure to not fall for any of those scams. And that's it for today's video. Good luck to all of you, and make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.